This conference will now be recorded.
Hmm. Yes, what we have learned in the last class.
Last class, like we did, what is that? Like same like project. What is that called?
Okay.
Servlet
So it was
thing.
with the help of servlet. No, we have seen, I guess, what it is called without XML file, right?
Oh yeah,
Without XML, without
without using XML annotator. Yeah, yeah,
yeah, and with using XML, without XML, both the things are there.
yeah.
Yeah. So those things we have seen, and what are the other things we have seen?
Mm, like yes, the last class was only that thing, and I shared my screen, so there's nothing we did on the day.
Okay, so that's it, right?
Yeah,
It means we have done exactly what we have done exactly. I just wanted to know.
just without on the day without using XML
Hmm.
and the servlet.
So we have used servlet.
Yeah, you can open
Okay.
like notes. You can know like
Yeah, which what is the day?
32. It is.
32. Okay. Fine. So that is about that. Hmm. Fine.
Are you sharing your screen to me?
Yeah, you cannot see that.
No, no screen is shared. That's what I'm looking for.
Oh, it's not shared. Okay. I was in intention of that. I'm sharing. Okay.
No.
Because all of a sudden we got this. Up to last time it was like Joho, na. So today we
Yeah,
are
yeah, that's
having both.
what. Yeah.
Yes. So last class, what we have seen, I just wanted to check. What was the day? Last class day? My project.
32.
Bharat. 32. 32 servlet class, HTML class. Okay, without using and by using what annotation without using XML, but with using annotation. Okay, fine. This is 32. So today it would be 33, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So today I just wanted to go with one small project. So the project is basically login. So we have in this. So it is 32 day 33, right?
Yeah, today 33.
33, and it is just a small mini project. Okay. So what is this mini project is? First is I wanted to create a login login first registration form. So registration. Just I'm giving an overview. What my what it's called. What exactly my project will do, that I'm going to give. So registration page, and how we are going to create this registration page by using HTML. Okay.
Mhm.
Now once I do it with the registration, then I need to log in, right?
Yeah.
Login login page, and this is also how I have to code HTML. Yeah.
Yes.
Now registration page, login page is done. Now we need what? Servlet.
Mm-hmm.
Registration servlet this is what class Java. In this we need to write Java class it is. Now next one is login servlet. So this is what it is, also a Java
Java.
class. Huh. So This four things we need to write. We need to write the code for this, and one more thing is annotation. Annotation for both for login and registration. Annotation is done. This thing. So it means what? There will be a field. So for example, it will ask me name. I have to enter the name. It will ask me email. I have to enter what? Email. It will ask me password. I have to provide a password. Fine. Now
Yeah.
after this, once I entered all this, so I should get a message. Message successfully, registration is done. Successfully is done. Successfully done. Okay. Now once this is done, now what I need to do? These these all things, all the data should be, this data should be collected in the MySQL, in the table in MySQL. So what is the meaning of this collecting the data in the table? I told you, right? When we are using MySQL, what it is called?
X.
DBMS.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry.
So here we are using the concept of DBMS also.
Mm-hmm.
So all the data should be collected in the table in MySQL. So now from there it will match the password, name and password. So login. In login it will ask me what name. Name should be matching. Name should match, and then password should match. If it is matching, then we can open our website, or it means it will give a message. Message. What is the message? Like successfully logged in. Okay, successfully logged in. So what are the technology we are using here? Techniques.
SQL.
Technologies we are using is, first one is, you understood, right, how it is going to work.
Mm-hmm.
First technology. What is the first technology? First technology is SQL. No,
HTML.
HTML. Second technology is
Java.
Java. And in Java specifically, what? In Java we are using servlet. Okay. Third one is what? MySQL. And fourth one is what? Tomcat
Mm-hmm.
server. And the fifth one is what? Fifth one is what?
SQL. Oh,
Connector. We need driver, right? Connector,
okay.
or we can say driver to load. Okay. So yeah. So HTML is for what? HTML is for front end,
Front end, yes.
and this one is back end.
Front end, back end, yeah.
And also we are using annotations, right? Sixth one,
Mm-hmm.
annotations. Yeah, annotations is for what? Connecting
Mm-hmm.
the front end to back end. And Tomcat is a server side. Driver, this is used in what? What it is? JDBC, right? JDBC. And MySQL is what? Totally database.
Database.
Database. Okay. So these are the technologies we are using. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So one by one we are just going to code it. What we have to do is those things we need to try. Let's see. Is it not a mini project? Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, it is a mini project like registration and logging in, and that too also we have to also open what? MySQL. So
Mm-hmm.
MySQL I will take here, and then root, and that's it. We'll talk about this later. So yeah, first I will open what? My this. You can able to see my screen, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now what I need to do is dynamic web project. Now here it will not work with the 6, it will work with the 5. Okay. So empty project name. So what we can keep the project name? Anything.
Like, yeah.
Uh, Mini project.
That will be good.
Mini project. Okay. So basically in this we are doing what, login and first register and then login, right? Register and login. Fine. Next. And here it is next. Do I need to click on this?
Yes.
I said we have to, we can use with the annotation, right?
Oh yeah. There's no
So
need
no
of.
need of, no need of extra thing like mapping and all.
Mm-hmm.
So just what I'm doing here, finish. So did I got?
Oh, if we use annotations, there's no need of XML extension, right?
Yeah, if we are using annotation, no need of that mapping, servlet mapping, servlet name, all those things. No need of those.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So in this is my project here. In this we have deployment, all this, and then WS. We have all this. So we need to understand things, and this is done. Okay. Now what
So
we need to
and
do here is, huh?
okay, and one more doubt is like I can see the server is stopped, right? Like once one server is created or generated, that server we
Mhm.
can use anytime.
Yeah, we can use anytime because it is already in the environment, right? So whatever
Oh
the
yeah.
project you are creating, it will be applicable for all new
Okay.
files.
Okay. The thing is like when I am
We can
doing
make
like
notes.
yeah, every time like it's showing popping me that error like server at local at local host is not connecting, fail to start every time it's showing like that.
Yeah, yeah, because maybe you're not changing the port number because at the time of have you seen that video? We are changing the
Yeah,
port
yeah,
number
yeah.
also.
We did. I know you did 8088 also. I knew, I remember it, but when I'm changing also it running, and when I coming back, like it should be shown like http error, right? Like something like 404 error not found, but it's not showing like that, and it's showing me like we unable to connect the local host at the web page.
Local host at the web page. Yeah, okay. That is error. Have you tried that error in Google to check?
Yeah, I did, but something again, I deleted the server and I created, and the same thing happening. Okay, I'll show you it later. You can carry on. Sorry.
Okay, fine. We'll see that. We'll try to solve the problem. So
Mm,
here it is what a mini project, and then SRC, and then here main, here web app. In this web app, you have to click on the right click, go to the new. We are going to create what our HTML files.
yes.
So what is the HTML file name I will keep here is
Mini.
register and login.
Okay.
Register register.html next, and then here I'm just it is showing me what HTML5 finish. So one file I created. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
this is what register file. Another file I will create for login HTML file, and then this is what login login file. Next, and then finish. So total how many files we created here in this?
Two.
Yeah, it is two files we created. So what are those?
Register and login.
Yes, exactly. Now, what we have to do here is let me make this bigger. Now it is okay, right? It is visible. Huh. So now let me write the code first. So what is the code we have to write here is that is important. So title. So here the title. I just don't want this title. That what is the title I can use here? This is what actually. This is login, right?
Login, right?
Yes, yes. So the title I will use is login form. Login, and then your form form. Okay, login form. Done. Now in this body, whatever the tag we are writing, we have to write only in this body. Okay. So now here I'm just writing h2 tag. H2 is like for writing a different kind of
Headings.
font, not fonts, so sizes. H1, H2, H3, like that sizes of yeah. So here I can write what login, login. Fine. This is opening tag. This is closing tag. Here we have one forward slash. Automatically it will take. Now next one is what I just wanted to go with a form. So here we have in this we have one tag that is called form tag forms. So when we use that form tag whenever we are writing some members for the website. So let's see FORM form. The moment I press the form, it will ask for the action also, action and methods. Okay. So this is total. It is what form. This form is present inside the body tag. So this is what opening form and this is closing form. Now in this we need to write something here. We need to write the label. So like we are what is the form we are designing? It's login, right?
Yeah.
So login means first it has to give me like username,
Yes.
and then the username it has to give me to enter. It has to give me the option to enter the username. Two
Yeah.
things. First is on the up we will get what username here like this username, and then here down we will get what one text field so that there we can enter. So
Mm-hmm.
like that I wanted to design. So for that what I need to do is I just wanted to take a labels. So we have one label. We can go with a label here, lab label tag. So I will tell you just briefly about everything I will explain all these tags once we are discussing about html separately. But
Okay.
as of now just remember this. In the body tag we are giving what form tag. In that form tag again we have what label means line by line it should be. So in this label, what we have is, for example, here fur is equal to, here I'm giving out username, okay, and then it should display what username it has to display username, fine, colon, and that's it. Now I need to separate it also, right? What I have to do, I need to separate. Like for example, let me go without separating it. Now here what I need to take is input. I should ask the user to enter the values, right? So to
Yeah.
enter the values, we have to take like in C language we have scanf. In Python we have input function. So in this also we have input tag we have. So once I have written input, so in input what happens is type we need to give what type type type. What is the type? It is the type is, so it is showing here is equal to. So what kind of input I am expecting is a text. Text. Yeah, I selected text we need. And let me give one ID for this. ID is equal to. So one unique name I'm providing here. So the unique name is username. User name. I got username. Just a second. So username. Username is what? What is
Like
this username? ID.
ID. Okay.
Yeah, and then here it is name. Name is equal to name also I'm keeping out the same thing because earlier I'm using username only. Username, and then once username is done, here I'm just giving out required means it is important. Like some, for example, in some text we don't even enter and it will take a submit button, right? But here it is not like that. Some text field if we don't enter, it will ask us to enter into that. So that's it. This is what required. Now I just wanted to run this. Let's see whether we can able to run this or not. Save, and then select next, and this I don't want. Remove, and then finish. Okay. Did I got?
Yeah.
Am I getting something here? Yeah.
Yes.
So what I got here is username colon, and I got this shape, this bracket. So here it is giving me the option to enter, right? Rajan Rajan. If I don't enter, it will ask me to enter here. So fine. Only one thing we have created. Okay. Now let's create a next one. What is next one we have to create? Where is this? Login. Login only, right? Huh.
Yeah.
So login is done. Now again I need to take what label? Label. Now when I got a label here, for now, for what I need to use label? Password, right? Username
Yeah.
and password. This is for login. So label inside this. Okay. Inside this label, what I have to write again here, for, and for is equal to what? Password. Password we have to give. We have to mention that it is a password. Yeah, why password? If for example, if I enter something, it will not show the values. It will give me what? Black dots.
Okay.
So this is done. Next is what? ID. For this also I need to give some unique like name. ID is what? Same.
Password.
Password. Yeah. PASS, right? Password. Now after this, what we have to provide? Name. Name also I'm giving same thing. Why to get confused? Password. And is it required or not? Yes, it is also required. But let's execute this. Um. Okay. So it is not giving me the option to do fresh refresh.
You should run, I think, over there.
I should.
Yeah, yeah. You should run here.
Yeah, that's what I'm also thinking. Save next. Did I got anything? No, right? I don't know
No.
why I'm not. Mhm. Up to here I got. Okay. Did I missed anything? Let's see. Uh, we have did a label, right? Okay. We have not given input to
Yeah,
enter the
yeah.
password. So that I need. I guess I miss input. So for is done. Label for password. Yes. So what I missed is. Let's see what I missed.
Yeah,
Uh,
you mixed both.
yeah. Now. Now I need to take input. Input. Yes, but it should give me this exactly. Wait, let me check in the label. In the label here we have only few things, but here I added many things. So I have added here input things also I added here.
Yes, yes.
For password, ID is not required, right? Only password is enough. So ID I need to remove. Name also I need to remove. X control X. So for username means password. That's it, right? And here. Here I write what password, and then colon, and then that's it. Now let me save, and now this time I will run on server. Next, finish. Oh my god, what I got? See, I got this, but I wanted na this password should be down of this. Yeah. So
Yeah.
for that reason, we have br tag br. So it will give me some space here. So where I need to apply this BR is, first thing is here, two BRs, like two spaces I need. So we can use here BR, one time BR, and second time also BR. Now let's see any changes happens or not. Run as, mm, next, finish. Did I got? Yes. Yeah. So now what I need is I wanted this kind of box here also. Yeah. Hello. Yes. So this box I wanted here also. So for that, what I need to do? Same thing, like input only, right? So I'm just copying this, pasting it. Now, what are the things is required to change? Let's see. Input type. Input type is here text, but I need to keep what? Password. I need to keep password. ID is what? Password. Password. Name is what? Password. Now this is what required. And then let's see now whether it is working or not. Hmm, run as, next, and then finish. Did I got? But I wanted some space between this, right? Yes, there should be some space. So for the space, what I said, I can use what? BR, BR tag, BR. So done. Now what I need to do is I need to submit. Yeah, means login. I need to create one button, login button. So for that,
Yes.
what I can do is I can do here. I can take input, input. Now in this input type is equal to what already it is available. Okay, it is not displaying equal to submit. It will be already there. Submit. Yes, yes. Submit. So submit we got, and after submit, what should be seen on the button? That is value. Value is equal to login. Login. Okay. Let's execute this. Run on server. Next, and then finish. Did I got?
Yeah.
I got, but it's not in shape, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's not
This is
in order.
yeah, not in order. Yeah. So I need to check some changes I need to make. So fine. But what I got here is, see what it is saying. The moment I'm like placing the cursor here, fill, please fill out this. For example, I have written this, and I'm just giving login. It is not allowing me for the login. It is saying what? We have to fill it. It means required. That
Yeah.
required tag is doing this. Got it? So
So when
let's
we
see.
type on the password, will it show the password?
Good question. See here. RAJN. No, it will not show. See, it is not showing. So whatever the password 1 2 3 I type, it is not showing.
So
Okay.
because so it is predefined. Okay.
So this password is predefined. It is
Okay.
in the
Okay.
HTML. So that's it. Now after password label, we need to give what? Break. BR
Mm-hmm.
tag we have to give. Now let's see whether it is aligned or not. I think it should be, because all the cases I have given correctly. Yes. Now it's fine, right? Now
Yeah.
is it our form has created or not?
Yes.
Yes. Login form is done. Now what is the next form you have to create?
Registration.
Exactly, registration form. Now let's go with the registration. After registration, what we have to do? Hmm.
We have to log in. Right?
Login.
No, like sorry.
We have to create a servlet, right?
Servlet, sorry.
Yeah, servlets are waiting. They're waiting. They're asking you have to create me also. So here, what is the title I should make? Okay. By the way, here you can see the title, right? Where is the title? You can see. Load this page. We have. We can see the title actually. Mm, okay. So here we can enter username and password fine. So here also the title is, what is the title here? I can keep registration form. Fine.
Mm-hmm.
Registration form title is done. Now inside the body, first I'm making space. Now in this body, what I'm taking here is H2. See H1, H2, all these are what for the for headings.
Site.
Like someone is for headings, someone is for paragraphs like that. H2 I'm taking here. In this H2 I'm writing what register. Register. Okay. Now in this register, again we have to take what form.
Mm-hmm.
Form. Now we got what. Sorry, here one more thing I missed. Login. Yeah, this I will tell you later because we have to write some action here. So based on this action only, that annotation will take. So that part we'll see later. Now let me create a registration form first. So here what it is form. Form tag I created. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Now in this form tag, what I need is action. Okay. Form tag is done. Now in this form tag, labels I need to create. Label. LAB label. Label I created. Now this label is for what? For label is label for is equal to username. Username. Once username is done and it has to be shown there username and then colon. So yes, this is done. Now what I need to do? I need to give a space. Yes. What I need to
Yeah.
give? The space I need to give so that we can
Yeah.
print it, right? Yeah. So the space we have to give, and after that I just wanted to separate it with a space, like a new. We can go with not exactly the same line. It has to give me the new line here. So once label is done, now what I need to do? I need to use what text. So for text, what I can use is input. Input. No. You have to use this tag. Opening tag. Input I took. Now in this input, it is only one type. Type is equal to what? Text only, right? Text. And then here we need what? ID attribute. ID is again I'm keeping what ID? Username. And then here it is name. Name is also I'm giving what? Username. And that's it. And then it is required, right? The the customer have to enter. It is not
Mm-hmm.
optional. So we are keeping what required. Now BR two spaces I wanted because this is for username. Once username is done, we can go with the next other details. So like this BR, then again BR two spaces I wanted. Now let's see whether it is working or not. So let's run this. Run on save next back. Select this next finish. Did I got register? Yeah. Yes, right.
Yeah.
So here it is username and then here it is register. One field is done. So what is the next one? Hmm. Now we have to take label and then input. Label input. So label input is done. Here one more label I want. I'm just copying and I'm pasting it here. Now this label is for what? For email. Okay. For email. This label is for email, and here I have to write what? E email. And predefined email is there. At the rate, if you don't write, now it will ask you to write E at the rate. Now
Yeah.
once email is done, I need to give the option to enter the email, right? So I'm just copying this input one, and I will make some changes here. So for email, type is what?
Email.
Yes, email. Type is email. ID is also email. Email, and then name. Name is also email. Email, and it is required. Yes, it is required, and then I'm giving out space. So two things are done. Now let's execute this. Mm, run. Next. Finish. We got, yeah. Now one
Yeah.
more thing is that is password. So let's go with the password. For password also I need to use what? This is label, and then in this label what I need to use? Label for password.
Password.
Hmm, password, and use here also I need to use what? Password only. Password. Once this is done, next what I need to use? Input.
Input type.
I need to give an option to enter this, right? In input what I need is
Password.
text. Is it text? No, right? Password.
Password.
Password, and ID is what? ID is
Password.
also password. Name is also same. Name is also password. Done. So we got all this. Now we need to submit it, right? So for submit, what we have? Input. Yeah, in this input, type. Type is already we have submit. So let me check whether we have or not. Submit button is there. Yes, it is there. Submit, and then value. What on the top of that? What it has to be appeared. So register, register, register. So this is what finally we created the form. Which form it is? Now let's see the output, like execution of it. Next, finish. Did I got exactly?
Mm-hmm.
This is what registration form, and this registration. Yeah, this is registration, and where is my login form? So registration is done, right?
Yeah.
So now one more thing we have to do is we need to take action here. So in the form we have action keyword. In this action keyword we have to write what? A name, register, and then we have to give a method name. So there is a post and there is a get method. Method is equal to post. Method is equal to, see here, we have get and post. So I will tell you what is get and post. If we are using post now, our data is safe. Our data will not be displayed on the browser. But if we use get now, data will be displayed on the browser itself. So for the safety purpose we use what? Post. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So this is about registration form. Now the same way here also we need to do for the login also. For the login, even action already it is there. Here we are writing what? Login. Login, and then here method is what? Method is equal to, method is equal to post. So successfully we have created what? Front end. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So very good. We created what? Front end. Now let me execute this also. Login. Next, and then finish. Here it is my login form,
Mm-hmm.
and here is my registration form. Yeah.
Yeah.
So for example, see here, if I'm writing Rajan, and here it is my, for example, if I'm writing Vivek, and I'm going for the password. Password is RAJ and Rajan. Now, if I click on register, what it is asking me?
Please include at the rate.
Correct. So email is already inbuilt. So we have to use what? At the rate. For
Mm-hmm.
example, if I register again, no, it is saying complete it. It is incomplete. At the rate gmail.com. For example, only Gmail if I'm writing, then what happened?
It took
Nothing. It
is
has
it?
not taken. So this is what it is. For example, let me write it properly, proper email, and then password is what? 123. Now enter. We have not given anything, right? So that is the reason we are getting what? Error. No program. Program has not been written for this. Yeah. Backend we have not written, right? Anything.
Yeah, yeah.
So what it will do? Backend nothing. Here also same thing. So this is just a outlet. That's it. Action.
Yes.
Nothing is has been taken. That action backend process that we have to do now. So how we can do that? What we have to do? What where we have to go?
So creating servlet.
Exactly. So let's see how we can create. It is somewhat laborious process. Hmm. Okay, where we can create it is this Java resource and Java main. In this Java class, what we can give the name. This is what login servlet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So login servlet. Okay. Login servlet. That's it. Now finish. Array no, we should not finish actually. I'm deleting this because delete. Huh. Why I deleted? Because I have forgot to give what package. So default package. This also I don't want. Okay. New class. Okay. Package also I need to mention. So the package is mini project. Mini mini
Mm-hmm. That
project
that will be new
dot.
one or
So this is new one, na?
yeah.
Package I'm creating package, and here
If
it
you
is
don't
what
give the package name, what happens?
by default it will take without a package, but
Okay.
I wanted to give it. So here next one is what um, which package this which servlet we are creating login servlet next finish. So we got our project C package mini project. Okay, so up to here we got fine. Now what I need to do here is I need to create a servlet. How to create a servlet? Login servlet. This is my class. Extends.
Mm-hmm.
Extends what? HTTP, right?
This
So
servlet.
yeah, and control and space. It is not giving me anything. Okay. HTTP. So let's control space. Yes, we got it. So fine. We got HTTP. Now what I need is I wanted to go with the do post method because in that also we have mentioned do post only, right? So
Yeah.
post do do post do post. Now control and space. So just control and space if we have entered now everything we got. So let me show you the total code here. This is the total. So here I don't want all this removing. By default we get all. So here it is what HTTP request, HTTP response. Yeah,
Okay.
HTTP request is there, right? And
Mm-hmm.
HTTP response. Okay. Now here we have already throws, what it is throwing, servlet exception and IBO exception. Okay, so now once this is created, now what we need to do, that is what our question. Now throws we have done. Now in this we have to write what, few lines of code. The line is whatever I'm getting, for example username and password, that I need to store, right? So for that purpose what I'm using is string username. So the username will be obviously in a string only. String request dot request dot get, is it request or req? Yes, req, right? Huh. req dot get parameter. Do we have get parameter anywhere here? Get
Yeah.
parameter. So what is the parameter we are going to get here? Username. So username parameter. So get parameter is one of the method, inbuilt method. It will take the username directly from the web. Now again same thing for password. I'm just copying this, pasting it. Now here what I need is not username. This time it is password. Password. Password is what, req request dot get parameter. And here what I need, which parameter I need to get? Password.
That's good.
Yes. Now once this is done, next what I need to do is I need to use what? Now this is fine. We can do up to here. We can do. Now next one is what we have to do is JDBC. You remembered what is JDBC?
Yeah.
So what is the JDBC? I've been
It is the connectivity,
we are
right? For
connecting MySQL. We are connecting with the Java, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So we can get what, errors. So to avoid that error, we are using what, first a try catch exception. So we are just writing what, try. This is what my try block. In this try block I need to give what, the same class name, like all those things I need to give, I need to mention. Try. So in this try class class dot for name, for name. In this for name we have to give the driver name. What is the driver name? Com dot my sql dot cj dot jdbc dot driver. This is what, it is a driver name. We have to load the driver actually. So how to load the driver I will tell that also. Otherwise it will give what, class name not found. Got it?
Yeah.
I I think we have done this in, I don't remember the day, but we have done all this. JDBC.
Just give me a
Now,
sec.
huh,
Hello, sorry.
Yeah, you came back.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. So what we were discussing.
We are
So
try catch.
this is what the name of the driver it is. Okay, the connector.
Mhm.
Once the connector is done, now we need to give out connection. So how to
So
give the
how you
connection?
gave that name for the driver?
Yeah, the name is itself like, see here. Huh. Now let me go here. I wanted to paste the driver here in lib folder. So what I will do here is I'll just go here and I will check for the driver. We have already downloaded, I guess. See software, not this one. Current software for JFS. So this is in zip file, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm, practice. This is Tomcat. Okay, I will take from here in C. This is what my connector is. Okay, my connector. I think we have downloaded also this one.
Okay.
So control C, paste, and then in the lib you have to paste it. You pasted. We got it. Now, okay, actually it should show, but inside that na we have lot of jars. If you can see it, we cannot able to access now. Like for example, if I enter like open, yeah, but inside that it is already there. The names, so many files will be there inside. So from that we can understand that this is the name of the connector. So yeah, login servlet. This is the name. So name of the connector is this. Yeah, it is giving me error because I need to use what catch also. Yeah, fine. This is try. After try, what we have to do? Try is done. In try, what I have did class dot for name. I have provided what the driver name. Now connection. I need to give the connection. Connection conn. This is what the reference variable is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Get connection. Okay. So get connection here. Here what we have to write is in this get connection we have to give few things. What we have to give is uh, get connection. We have to give JDBC. We have to give the file name, password, username, and password. So file name, not file name, location JDBC colon MySQL and then colon forward slash local host colon. This we can find out when you are installing MySQL. At that time you can get it. 3306 it is. Then here we have to also provide the database name. So let me provide the database name here. You can see the screen. Yes.
Yeah. Hello.
Uh, Show databases. Now I just wanted to select details. Do we have any details here? Yeah, details is there. So use details. Details I'm using now. Show the tables. Show tables. So in this tables, what we have? User details we have. So how to
Mm-hmm.
check this user details table? So DESC, remember, describe
Yeah.
user details. So this is our table. It has what? ID, username, email, and password. But here one more thing is that this ID is what? Auto increment. So you no need to directly give auto whenever it is, whenever the customer or the client is entering username, email, password, every time this will be auto incremented. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is my table. So I have to provide the table name also here. So what is the table name?
Details.
Yeah, exactly. Details. Now table name is done. Now comma. What is the next one? Username. Root. What is the password? I kept a root only. Root. And then I'm closing. This is the closing tag. Close. And then after closing, that's it, right? Yeah. So now here, why we are getting error here? Connection. No. Get connection is there. Driver manager. What is the error here? Okay, fine. We'll see what is the error later. Now what we have to do is we need to go with a query. What is the query I wanted? I wanted to take what? Select. I wanted to select my username and password both are matching. Then only what I need to do, I need to display is it successfully or not. Okay. So for that what I'm doing is I'm just taking out the query here. String. In string I'm storing the query. Query is equal to. So to display or to take check the check whatever there in the table, what is the command we use? Yes, select
Yeah. So
star
var
from
from
table name, right? So what is the table name here?
details.
No, details is a database name, right?
Oh, sorry.
Mm, details is database user details from user user details user details. Yeah. Now where clause we can use where username equal to positional parameter. This is what question mark and password. Password is also I'm giving what question mark. It is also positional parameter. That's it. So that's it. Password and means what? If this is correct and this is correct, then only it will go.
Mhm.
Now here we have to use what prepared statements. Prepared prepared statement is tmt is equal to con whatever the object we have created for the connection dot prepared statement. So let's see where is the prepared statement here. Prepared with prepare statement. Yes, here we got prepare statement. In this prepare statement, yes, we have to write what query because in the query only we are saving, right? In the query only select star from details we are saving. So it is, I think these things we have to import. Mm, yeah, import. Yeah, I imported this. Fine. So in the try block only we are doing all this. So this is what prepared statement in this query is done. Now after this, what I need to do is I have given the positional argument, right? Question mark. So that question mark I need to replace. So stmt statement dot set string. I need to what? I need to do the setting of the string. What are the arguments? One. It one. What is it one? Username. Username. Done. Now second one is what? stmt dot set string. This is two comma password. Password. That's it. So we have taken what? Two things. Yes, two things we have taken.
Hmm.
Now here what I need is what should be the contact type of the response. Yeah, so
Well,
I wanted to execute this on the web only, like is it successfully done or not. So for that I'm just
mhm.
taking a result result set result set rs is equal to stmt. Statement is already, it is an object of what? stmt is a object of what? Where I
uh,
have written, yes, prepared statements here. This is an prepared statement. stmt is a object of prepared statement. Okay. So now stmt dot execute query. Execute query. We are going to execute the query now. So for that reason, this I have taken exec and I guess result set also it has to be imported. Import, yeah, imported. Now I need to show this out like in the browser, right? So for that, what print writer out is equal to response means it is res only, I guess. Here, what is the response? Resp. So resp response. Yeah. Dot response dot get the writer get writer. Yeah. So it is showing that print writer is giving us right. So we have to import this imported. So we'll get it on the, now we need to see that response, whatever the response I'm doing here, resp response dot, what is the content of it? Set the content. So content length, not content type I need to take. So what should be the content type? Dot dot set content type is there. Yeah, what should be the content type here? Content type should be either text or HTML. Text and HTML. Okay. So up to here it is done. Now we need to give what? One condition. If rs dot next. If this condition is true, then we are taking out one more. What we wanted, if this condition is true, then what happens? Out dot, what is out? That print writer. So out dot println. Yeah. In this, what is happening is we need to write one statement. In this, the statement is, I'm just writing it in a h2 login page. Login successful. Login successful. Once login successful, welcome message. Welcome, and I need to take the username plus, and then I need to close the tag. Closing the tag h2. So I opened, I closed. Yes. If
Mm-hmm.
this is if I'm logging in like my password and username is matching, then only. So for that only I have written this conditions. Now after this, if it is not, then else part should be getting executed. So else part, in else part what is there? Everything I will copy this. Okay. And here what it has to be, login failed. Login failed. Sometimes it happens, right? We don't provide
Yeah.
exact details. So login failed, and then what we can give here, we can give that enter, or we can say invalid credentials. Invalid credentials. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
it is showing error. Somewhere it is problem. Okay, this I have not closed. Okay, in this everything will be in one. Here no need of this. Okay, no, fine. So this is what this is done. Now what we need to do? Now, now we have to go with a catch. Catch, and for example, if the class is not found, so it has to
Yes.
what? It has to manage the exception, right? So class, what are the exceptions? Class not found exception, exception or SQL exception. So here SQL EXCE exception, and here we are taking it as E. Now here it is giving me error. Why it is giving me error? Okay, first let's see E dot print E dot print stack trace. This is a way to write the exception in this catch. Add to ER. No. Hmm. I feel there is some problem with this catch. In this catch class not found exception, and this one, okay, we have to import. Fine, we imported it. Now it's fine, right? Yeah. Any errors you can see? No?
No.
Okay, okay, fine. So now next what we have to do? What is the next part? This is which servlet?
Login.
Next part is annotation. You have to use annotation also, right?
Mm-hmm.
So where is the annotation we can use? Annotation can be used here exactly. What is annotation? At the rate. Sorry, at the rate web web servlet servlet web servlet, and here it is what, login. That's it. But why I'm getting error? Because I need to import it. So all these things I'm importing. So many things, right?
Mm.
Jakarta, servlet, and the servlet exception. Okay, so many things I imported. Yeah. So in annotation is also done. Yes.
Yeah.
Now, shall we go with the registration? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
We'll go with the registration soon. Mm, many things will be the same thing. Only I will copy and paste it. Okay. Will
Okay.
that will be better, right?
Yeah, actually.
So many things I have to write, so it is better to copy paste. Only the package we have not copied, right? Huh. So where it is? Mini here only, na mini project. In this
Uh-huh.
mini project, in this mini project, a class we are creating. And what is this class name I should give? Regis,
Register.
register servlet. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Finish. Now, I just wanted to delete this public class. You just remember this public class register servlet. I'm pasting all those things. Pasted. What is the name of the class?
Public register
Servlet.
servlet.
Uh, register servlet. So register servlet is done. Now in this registration, what is required is one more in registration. How many forms we have? How many fields?
Like
And we have three fields, right? Username,
yeah,
email,
email
and
ID,
password.
password.
Here I'm just writing what web servlet. Here annotation is what register. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And what are the need? What needs to be changed? That I'm just changing it. Now here username password is there. Here what I need what
Email.
string email email is equal to okay. It is better I can copy paste this same thing. Here what I get yes username should be what email
Email.
and here also we need to change the email email is done. Fine.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. We are done with this. Now, class email is done. Now, try. In the try, we are done with that. Now, string query. We have to go with a string query. String query, we have to change the things. What I
Mm-hmm.
need is string query. What is exactly?
Like
Yeah.
where email should be.
String query here we are selecting right we are just selecting the star from so in this string query what is required is I just wanted to remove all this because this time we are not giving this condition so
Mm-hmm.
this time we are inserting right
Yeah.
inserting so insert command insert insert into what in where we are inserting in the table what is the table name user details insert into user details. Now what are the details we have username comma email comma password. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Now in this password again we have values. Now three values are there, so three positional arguments I'm taking question mark and then question mark. Done. That's it. So this is the query actually. Now in this query it is done. Now prepared statement. Now here one more thing we have to add. Two here in the place of two I'm just taking what email and the password. Third one is password. Password. Yes. So
Mm-hmm.
once this all are done, now I need to update the result set. So what I need to do here is I don't want this execute query because I wanted to take them. So int result, whatever the result is there, in that I'm storing what I'm storing here is stmt statement dot execute update. Yes, execute update we have to do. So if everything is fine, we'll get what? some value in the result. Okay, so once we got that result, now we can use what? Print writer. Print writer is to console to display the message on the browser. So up to here it is fine. Now print writer out. Okay, getting call. Okay, what is the time, by the way?
8:46 for you.
Oh my god. So how many hours it's been done?
I don't know that.
Oh, you have not seen the time when we started. Okay, you can see the
Maybe
screen, I
like
guess.
today 30 minutes late or 20 minutes late.
Okay, like I mean to say 1 hour is done now.
Yeah, done.
Oh, okay. So what we were discussing, a sprint writer out, print writer out response. Okay, here we have to go with what? Response. Whatever the response we are getting, we have to respond it. So res response dot get writer. Yes, yeah, that is done. Now in the place of res, we are taking what? Result. If result is greater than zero, result is greater than zero. Is it response only, right? Here we can see request and resp response request. We have to go with what? Response here. Response dot get writer. Resp.
Mm-hmm.
Resp only, right here. Resp here. Okay. Response done. So here, if we are getting if this condition is true, then we can go with what? Registration successful. So these things I don't want here. So what I can go with the regis registration successful. Yeah, registration successful. If it is not, then registration failed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, registration is failed. So we can write it in failed. Registration registration failed. Capital F. Done. But why I'm getting here error? Print writer mini project server. Okay, yes, we have not given the type, right? Type also we have given. Response type only, right? Is RESP. Okay. Mhm. Now if this, okay, fine. Now let's see if there is any problem, any error, any problem with this. We have inserted also. But why I'm getting a dash here? Oh, now it's okay, right? Control yes. Huh. So now let's execute the code. Hmm. So yeah, in this what we are using, what response we are using, no RESP response. But in the
Mm-hmm.
login,
Request. Uh, yeah.
response only. In the response we wanted, right? Fine.
Yeah.
So that's it. That's it. Two servlets are created. Now login. I'll just go for the registration page and let me go and run this. Save. Next. Finish. Okay. Huh. So see, first I will show you this one. Select star from, what is the table name? User
Details.
details. So I have written two names here, Rajan, my mail, and then password. Need to, and this is my wife's. I have just tried.
Mm-hmm.
So in this only we'll add another thing. If it is getting added, then it is successfully done. Okay. So I will write your name, Bharat, and then your email is Bharat Bharat at the rate gmail.com. Okay. And then
Mm-hmm.
password I'm giving, what password I'm giving, 1234. Okay. Just
Mm-hmm.
remember it. It's 1234. Now I'm just going for registration. Yes. Done.
Mm-hmm.
Successfully done. In the first attempt only.
It shows.
Yeah, it shows registration successfully done. Now, if it is done successfully, we need to check whether it is done here or not. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
it is done. So
Done.
this is the magic. Now let's go with the login page. Login. Now again, run this one also. Next, and then finish. Now let's run this. Bharat, capital B or small? I can check from here, right? It is capital B. Okay. Bharat, Bharat, and then password I given what, 12345, right?
No, only four.
Okay, wantedly I given wrong. Let's see what is happening. What happened? See, it
Invalid.
is checking. So where it is checking? From the database.
Yeah.
Excuse me. From the database. And one more thing, you see, did I given the ID number?
No.
No, right? Automatically it will take whatever, how many users are entering, those many it will take. Got it? So let me give the exact password now. But again, it is showing invalid. Huh?
No, the spelling you gave Bharat all at the last it should be only T.
Okay, okay, Bharat. Okay, Bharat, and then here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh?
Uh-huh.
So it's working, right?
Yeah.
So successfully the login successful. So here, if we have any website now, we can get into that website. Like we have Facebook now, Facebook
Mhm.
registration and login.
Yeah.
So here you can create many more things, like many more fields, many more. Two things are enough. So finally, it is working or not?
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah. So we have successfully created one mini project. You can say that it is a mini project.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is a mini project, better than that last previous one. So
Mm.
what I can do here is I can take. I will copy this everything very soon in that notepad. Notepad is here. So what is the first one? Register. What is this? Yeah, register dot html. Okay, this file, register dot html. After this,
Login.html.
yeah, login dot html. Now this one is login dot html. Mhm. Now after this, two front ends are created. Next one is register servlet, register servlet. Next one is login servlet, login login servlet. Login servlet is this. Done. So with this, if you do this all things now, definitely you are going to get it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. So I think it is too much time now. So tomorrow can
Yeah.
we take your doubts?
Yeah, yeah, but
Tomorrow,
okay.
tomorrow we can directly see. Tomorrow I will not take a class. I will take only your doubt clarification session. That will be fine, I guess.
No, like, right now server is not working. If not working, I cannot do other one. That's why I asked it first.
Yeah, yeah. So I guess it's already time now. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No,
to,
I'm just saying you. No, I'm not asking
yeah,
you
yeah.
to do.
No, correct, correct. No, tomorrow first thing we'll do that only.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. Absolutely fine.
So tomorrow we'll try to resolve your issues, and then tomorrow anyhow I will not take any class because so many things I have given you as an input. So first you have to digest all those things.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So we have finally created one mini project that is done. Now tomorrow mostly the next session I will start is JSP, Java
Oh,
Server Pages. On that one or two examples we'll see, and then we are done with this. We'll go with another concepts then. Okay.
yeah, okay.
So I wanted you to just go on, keep on trying, like on a YouTube, or you can have a screenshot.
Uh-huh.
You can take a screenshots and you can send it you can display on the on this sharing the screen tomorrow for tomorrow. I'm saying.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay, Bharat. Then have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Yeah, good night.
You take this video. You take the link of this video, recorded video. This is very important one today's.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If not, I cannot again. Yeah,
Yeah, it is too much of typing and all.
yeah.
Okay then, Bharat. Bye.
Yeah, yeah, bye. Have a good night.
Okay, thank you.